who would have ever imagined that something once considered unremarkable would come to the forefront of architectural innovation? The underappreciated wall is now the darling of the design set, and Modernfold and Skyfold, the leaders in premium space division systems, are way ahead of the pack. With their automated and electrical movable walls, they're creating smart space solutions that are as fashionable as they are functional.
My name is Bob Stiles. I am the owner and CEO of ModernfoldStyles Inc. We were founded in 1957 by my father, Bob Stiles Sr. We are a full-service distributor of space management products. Here we are in our showroom. The foundation of the showroom is our Modernfold and Skyfold products, which we feature in our acoustic and design lab. Here you're able to see how our products work, hear how our products work, feel how our products work.
Hi, I'm Bryan Welch. I'm the Managing Director of Modernfold. My job is to be the voice of the customer and make sure that Modernfold is delivering on our promises to our customers, make sure the customers get the products they need and expect, and make sure that we're providing in a smooth, efficient manner. Modernfold began in 1925, very much a residential product, a lot of accordion doors. Many families living under one household needed a little bit of privacy to separate bedrooms, closet doors, things like that. Over the years, Modernfold has evolved to be very much a commercial product where we're separating space and sound for offices, churches, schools is really the heart of the company today.
This is our new Modernfold Comfort Drive system. It's the latest in technology. Bryan, why don't you tell us a little bit more about it since you're the manufacturer?
Yeah, it's great. The automation of the Comfort Drive system makes it so easy to operate. You literally can do it with just the press of a button.
Modernfold's panels, operable partitions, and accordion and glass wall systems are all manufactured at their state-of-the-art production facility in Dryersville, Iowa.
Modernfold's products are manufactured out of many commonly available building materials. Our engineers work very hard to find the right combinations to assemble the products in a unique way to really maximize the performance.
After they get a client's specs, the technicians get to work using cutting-edge machinery to cut, mold, fasten, weld, and ultimately create what are essentially functional pieces of art. Modernfold covers the horizontal end of space solutions. Their sister company, Skyfold, handles all things vertical.
My name's Alastair Cush. I'm the Managing Director of Skyfold. We're the world's leader in vertically retractable acoustic walls. Architects, building managers and owners, they need flexible space. So what that means, it's areas that can be reconfigured. And where Skyfold fits in that is we're a vertically retractable acoustic wall. So for example, we can divide an office or a meeting room in 2, 3, 4. And when our wall is operated, i.e. it comes down from the ceiling and clicks in place, that's truly 2 rooms. And when I say the word acoustic, it's because I'm saying our wall will block the sound, right? So that one room becomes 2 meeting rooms. So we're in the acoustic design lab at ModernfoldStyles headquarters. This is where we show the acoustic performance of our products to potential customers and architects. You can clearly see the benefits of the product, of the Skyfold product. Firstly, it's completely concealed in the ceiling. There's no visible traces, harming the aesthetics of the meeting room. The third part is the ease of operation. 2 people can operate a Skyfold wall. There's 1 key and 2 buttons. When everything's pressed, the Skyfold wall will come down and within minutes will be perfectly installed. And the space will be divided acoustically and physically.
So now we're going to demonstrate how the Skyfold Classic minimizes sound from the adjacent room. The first step in the audio-visual demonstration is to play the sound. The second step is to play the oscilloscope. Now the oscilloscope will pick up sound, and visually you can see the louder it gets, the more the waves will create distortions.
So Nick, let's go ahead and put this Skyfold down so we can not only hear, but see the difference. So as you can clearly see and hear, you get the same great results from both Skyfold and Modernfold products.
SSLM was the corporate interiors architect for Modernfold Styles. We did their corporate interiors and showroom, and that was very special because it got to incorporate many of the products that they distribute. Modernfold and Skyfold are two manufacturers that I really think have brought an elegance to their product. It raised the game. Things need to be more glass, more sexy, technological look. We might start with a design and try to put something rough down, but then we engage a manufacturer pretty early on in the design process. They always can come in and meet with us directly in our office, walk through options, help us understand some of the intricacies.
Modernfold really differentiates ourselves from the competition. The product range we offer is broader than the competition. We've got an automated solution that allows very easy operation, safe, consistent operation. You don't have variations in performance because the wall sets itself up correctly. And having that portfolio of products gives us the ability to walk in and help an architect, help a designer, help an owner. We want to help them realize their flexible space aspirations.